Okay, so now we're going to talk about 3 more types of organelles found in an animal cell. Now, I will post a picture probably in with your vocab of the whole cell with the arrows pointing to each organelle, but for right now, my board is not big enough. So we are going to start out with the mitochondria. Again, we are talking about animal cells, which are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are plant and animals. Prokaryote are bacteria. So we're eukaryotes still, animals still. So the mitochondria. So the mitochondria is found in both plant and animal cells, but not in bacteria. So therefore, it's found in only eukaryotes. It's used for cellular respiration. And what cellular respirations are is it's when we take in nutrients from the cell and they break them down and turn them into energy. So basically, anytime I see mitochondria, I just think of energy. This is what gives the cell its energy. So mitochondria in plant and animal cells gives them energy. Then if we move over here, and again, that's what it looks like. There's several mitochondria in the cell. Sorry about that. If we move over here, centrioles. So that's what these guys look like. They kind of look like a bunch of little pastas put together. Now, what centrioles do is they help the cell divide when it comes time for cell division. We aren't going to talk about cell division at least until next week, if not maybe even the following. So that just means the cell dividing into 2. So the centrioles help the cell divide into 2 during cell division. Centrioles are only found in animal cells. Only animal, so not in plant, not in bacteria, only animal. Then this guy over here. This is what we call the Golgi apparatus. I know that's a mouthful. So I like to think of the Golgi apparatus as a factory. So they take in any proteins and fat and they move them to where they need to go in the cell. So they take in proteins and fat and move them to the proper spots in the cell, kind of like a factory. So again, from these 3 organelles, I'm going to go over them real quickly. Mitochondria creates energy. These little orange guys. Then we have the centrioles. These guys, they help during cell division. They help divide the cell when it comes time. Then Golgi apparatus over here. Think of it as a factory. It takes care of modifying proteins, modifying fats, and then send them out where they need to be. So I would once again watch this video clip twice to help you understand this.